has built the tallest building, so tallest statue, which is his portrait, and named as Unity of India, Statue of Unity. So I feel this human should be in our mind, because we Indians never forget to respect Gandhiji, Nehruji, but also we have to meet the main thing, which is unity between us. I want to make that question on
Research in matriculation as a quiz too. Today I am here to dissect about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 1897 at Odisha. He was considered as a most influential leader with extraordinary leadership skills. He gave slogans like Delhi.
Problem to Mangal Pandey, the British introduced a new rifle which is offended to soldiers because it is made up of greased cartridges made from pig fat and beef tallow. Mangal Pandey refused to use the rifle and attacked British 57. The struggle of Mangal Pandey will never be forgotten, and Mangal Pandey's courage will never be forgotten by any of others and our Indian people. The courage of Mangal
Rocky
You know, suggest me as the question part to me, right? And your question is, it's a quote. Quote. It's a quotation, like a quote, a wordings or a sayings, something like that. Team 6, be ready with your answers. The time is over. Not now, but the time is over, the question will get passed. You can think of answer. Yes. Are there any food like that? Government. And the answer is life of pi. Okay? And now question number 2. You can clap. Yes, very good. Now question number 2. Team 2. It's a vegetable. எதை உங்களால கேட்ச் பண்ண முடியும் ஆனா உங்களால தூக்கி போட முடியாது. ஒண்ணு உங்களால கேட்ச் பண்ண முடியும் ஆனா அதை தூக்கி போட முடியாது. டைம் இஸ் ரஷிங். கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு முன்னாடி நான் ரெட்டா இருந்தேன். இங்கிலீஷ் கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா நேம் அதோட பேர் என்ன, என் பேர் என்ன, என் பெயர் என்ன. ஒண்ணு வெளியில எடுத்துருங்க. என்னுடைய தலையை ஸ்கிராட்ச் பண்றீங்க. இப்போ நான் கருப்பா இருக்கேன் ஆனா ஒரு காலத்துல